In this video, we're going to be looking at the Trueshopping 5-in-1 multi-tool. In the box, you'll find everything you see in the image. The only thing you'll need to add to this is the fuel and the engine oil. The engine oil is 2-stroke and should be mixed at 25:1 ratio. The multi-tool comes out of the box part assembled and gives you 5 options to choose from: a pruning saw, an extension pole, a hedge trimmer, a strimmer, and a grass cutter blade. Make sure when choosing your attachment that it clicks into place and you tighten it, as demonstrated. Press the plate against the unit and twist the knob to tighten. Firstly, squeeze the throttle lockout trigger, followed by the throttle trigger. Press the switch next to the stop button, and slowly release all 3. The button should stay in place. If you want to cancel, press the 2 triggers together and the button will pop up. The next step is to bring some fuel into the system. There's a bulb just underneath. Press this 8 to 10 times to bring fuel into the pipes. Once there's fuel in the engine, we can move on to the choke and the pull cord. To start the engine from cold, the choke must be in the up position. Pull the cord until the engine starts to splutter. Once you hear the spluttering noise, you can pull the choke down. Once you pull the choke down, the engine will be ready to start. To use the multi-tool, you squeeze the throttle lockout trigger and the throttle trigger simultaneously. To stop the multi-tool, switch the stop switch up. Don't forget to pull the switch back down, as having the switch up will prevent the unit from starting at any point in the future. Thanks for watching, we hope this helps, and for more information please visit the website.